Welcome to Cryptobo.com, the first crypto binary options broker. To start trading, you need to go through a simple registration procedure by filling the desired nickname, email, and password. You will receive a confirmation email. Please click on the link and then log into the platform by filling in the nickname and password that you specified when registering. Your balance is displayed in Bitcoins. Our platform works only with this cryptocurrency. At the first authorization, free 500 satoshi for trading are automatically available on your account, which are your real funds without any hidden conditions. If the 500 satoshi are over, write in support and they will be promptly replenished. Making a deposit is very simple. Click on the deposit button, enter the required amount of the replenishment. You will be generated a unique wallet, which linked to your account, you should send Bitcoins on it. If you want to make a deposit through an online payment service or credit card, please contact the support or go to the main page. There you will find detailed instructions how to do it. Now you can start trading. On the right side, select the desired asset, specify the deal amount and expiration time. Predict further direction of the price of the asset by pressing the required call or put key. Get up to 90% profit in just 60 seconds. To withdraw profit, just click in Billing menu Withdrawal button. Fill in the amount and your Bitcoin wallet. No account verification is required. Within a short time, the funds will be available on your Bitcoin wallet. If you have any questions, our technical support is always happy to help you. Here is where we earn. And here we lose everything. But there is one secret. If I tell you that you can earn not only on the growth of Bitcoin, but also on its fall, you just need to predict where the trading chart will go, and in 60 seconds earn 80% of the profits. After that, you will need only to withdraw your earnings. Specify the Cryptobo 100 promo code when depositing and get plus 100% to the first deposit.